booze, fun, art, and music in one. This separates 𝗲 from any other Oktoberfest celebration. Cebuano OPM fans gathered at the SM Seaside Concert Grounds on October 27, 2023 to enjoy and celebrate Filipino talents.
Pero ako gilook forward maayo kay kanang maabot ko sila sa probinsya ko ba. Kay mostly manggod kay diri ra sila sa Cebu City. So most na ako gilook forward na moadto ko sila sa kung kay daghan ko ang mga nag-atang nila dito. Yeah, okay, like dapat may mga fan nga taga Cebu mga ganahan og mga other local fans. So ako nag-watch it ko para sa mga fan, mga banda nga taga Luzon galing ang artist.
Local bands and performers entertained Cebuano fans as early as 12 noon. And the crowd grew bigger as more talents performed during the later part of the festival. Baguio-based band 𝗲𝗏𝗀 brought heavy emotions to the audience as they sang their hearts out with their hit song, 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀. While OG OPM band Six Cycle Mind made the crowd wilder as they performed some of their hits like Upside Down, Prinsesa, and the crowd's favorite, Sige. Young rap icon 𝗫𝗏𝗀 brought high energy to the crowd. As the night drew to an end, electrifying performances from OPM icon Rico Blanco, 𝗫𝗏𝗀, and our very own Urban Dub and other local artists made it more memorable. The crowd also enjoyed interactive games and booths while waiting for their favorite artists. As music festivals are undeniably growing in Cebu, OPM fans are very excited to see more artists in the next year's Oktoberfest activities.
Actually, support ko ginani, and then it was also my first time sa maka-join o kanang concert yun. Diri sa Cebu.
Enjoy maayo!
This has been Angelica Fay Saniel for 𝗫𝗏𝗁𝗲 Cebu.